We all know that the cache equips our storage and also decreases the performance of our iPhone. That's why we should timely clean out our caches and cookies from our phone to improve the performance of our iPhone. So today in this video, I'll tell you 4 different ways through which you can increase the performance of your iPhone, and also you can clear the caches and cookies from your iPhone. The first technique is go to the iPhone setting, tap on General, select iPhone Storage. Right before the recommendation section, tap on Show All, and lastly tap on Enable button before offload unused apps. You can also offload specific apps simply by selecting them from the list. Tap on Offload app and confirm your action. Process number 2. Safari browser on iPhone works similarly to Chrome and other browsers. The website data of Safari can equip a good amount of storage. So the method is to clear Safari's cache. For this, tap on Safari in Settings, tap on Website Data, and finally remove all website data. Process number 3. For this, go to Albums, tap on Recently Deleted, tap on the Select button above. Now tap on these 3 dots at the bottom. Tap on Delete All. It will permanently delete your recently removed photos and videos from the bin and free the space in your iPhone. And the last process. For this, go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down the page and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase All Content and Settings. This will erase all the apps on your phone, data, your Apple's ID, etc. So it's good to keep your data saved on iCloud before performing this step. Before choosing this process, it will be better to upload all your data on iCloud to perform this process. So these are the 4 different steps through which you can increase the performance of your iPhone. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.